Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how to use the Google Keyword Planner for keyword research. So go to google.com and search for Google AdWords keyword tool and click ads.google.com. This is the link you have to go actually. Just sign in with your mail ID. Go for new Google Ads account. Please click switch to expert mode. Here create an account without a campaign. Just click submit. Now go for explore your account. Here go for tools and settings. Under the planning, go for keyword planner. And here is the dashboard. We have two columns. In the first column, you put your keyword ideas to get the new keyword ideas. Okay, if you don't have any keyword ideas, just put your topic to get the new keyword ideas. In this second column, if you have keywords with you, just see the keywords volume and how this keyword will act in future. Okay, we don't need this for SEO. Just go for discover new keyword ideas. So I have a keyword like basics of SEO. And what is SEO? Okay, and set your location to default in India. If you want another location like Dubai or any other country, particularly in Mumbai, and save and get the results. See, in Mumbai we have a keyword volume of, for this keyword what is SEO, we have about 1k keywords, which means 1000 keywords maximum. 1000 is the search volume for this keyword. So 1000 persons in Mumbai are searching for this keyword per month. Okay, if I want to change my location, go here and go for Dubai. Save. So in Dubai also 1000 persons are searching for this keyword what is SEO per month. Okay, and for another example, Nigeria. So I have target Nigeria country. In Nigeria also 1000 members, from 100 to 1000 members are searching for this keyword per month. Okay, there are also grouped ideas. This is also a set of keywords which is grouped by the Google, so you can also make use of this. That's it. This keyword planner is a free tool by Google, and for SEO you can make use of this